What's up, guys? We back with another one, and today I'll be fixing the sunroof on the 2007 Mercedes-Benz S550. And I think today, unlike the Mustang Cruise video, my lips are not chapped, so I'm feeling a little bit better about today's video. But anyways, I changed the fuel filter in the car not too long ago, and today I'm actually gonna try and fix the sunroof on it. We believe it's the gasket, so I'm gonna get the sunroof taken apart and get to the motor and see if we can figure this out. Let's do it. Oh, there we go. All right, so we finally got the middle console pulled apart. I couldn't do it with the camera on my head, so I had to turn the camera off for a little second, but we got past all the boring stuff. We just working on the other side now. So it's literally the same as the side we just came from. Pop this tab off right here. Ain't got no nails, man. There we go. Just like that. Give us access to it. Man, that's a long screw. That is a long screw. Pull that sucker out of there like that. Alright, that's it. I'll hop over to this side. Pop that down like that. You good? No, right over there. Alright. We got the sunroof motor out of the vehicle. But if you look here right on the gears, it looks like it's been chafed because the gaskets are bad. The gaskets are pretty much smushed in, as you see. They're really dry rotted. And because it's dry rotted, it forced the gear out of place and caused the gear to chafe. So I'm thinking we're not going to be able to reuse this sunroof motor. So what we're doing is calling AutoZone to see if we can get a new sunroof motor, put that in, and hopefully it'll catch and we haven't damaged the actual bracket on the sunroof too bad. So we're gonna find out and hope for the best. All right, guys, so we got the new part in and just got back from Benz, so I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys a comparison from the old part to the new part. So right here is the new part, and you can clearly see the the gears, see the teeth very easily, no wear marks on them, and you can actually see the plastic piece beneath the gears on the motor. Another thing I want to point out is the condition of those rubber gaskets right there. So you see those rubber gaskets, very fresh and new, thick. But if we look at the old part here, the gaskets are worn, and you can kind of see how they have begun to dry rot, and the other two are actually pretty bad and they just broke off. The actual gear on the old part has worn on the top end and started to chafe, and we can barely see the plastic piece at the bottom of it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, what's going on with that. We're gonna go ahead and pop the new piece in and get out of here. All right, y'all, I just got the motor bolted back up. We're about to see if it worked. Moment of truth. All right, test number one, and maybe we gotta plug some other stuff up in there too.
I don't think so. I think that's the motor here. It's plugged up. That's the motor for that one plugged up. What else would need to be plugged up back there? engaging at all. Nothing. I ain't seeing nothing.
Neither one of them. Wait a minute. That motor ain't even moving. It's gotta be something else gotta be plugged up. I think all three of these gotta be plugged in. It's plugged in. That goes in there.
Is that not right? Wrong way?
Yeah. They're missing some stuff. Hey.
Come on, bro. Come on, money. Come on, my guy. My guy.
Yeah.
And then Kevin Gates come on right every time.
We did that, man. I told you it was missing something. All right.
Press it all the way forward to see if that shade will close. Oh, come on, tell me that shade gonna close. It's supposed to close.
Hold on. This supposed to go forward automatically or no?
Yeah.
It does?
Yeah.
All right, hold on, let me see something.
There we go, big dog. We in the dough, man. We in that thing, man. All right, now let's see if this back one works. Bro, we in the game, man.
Let's go, man. I told you
We in the game like Madden, bro.
I told you I was gonna figure it out, man.
I'm on the Madden cover, I just don't want the jinx, man.
I told you I was gonna figure it out, bro. And they said $2,500.
Now the point was high.
Yeah. Hey, at least we ain't have to.
But so basically, you telling me the point was 330, 360 with tax. So you telling me $1,800 was labor?
Yeah.
Yeah, crazy.
They was finna hit you up, man. Man, I hope I got that on camera. Is my cam on? Please tell me my cam on. Is the red light on?
Yeah, that red. Well, when you just tapped it, it did.
Oh, hell yeah, man. We got that on camera then. All we gotta do now is put it back together. And we're gonna go from there. Stab it in now. Back up in there. Everything in there. Okay. Alright. That right there. It's gonna go in once we screw it off. Alright, let me grab the screw. You sure? Ran over your charger, my bad. Huh? Ran over your charger, my bad.
It ain't broke, huh?
Yeah.
Out of there.
Dude.
That's my brand new charger for my phone, too.
Man, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Yep, you good.
I think we deserve a good wash.
Yep, that's it, man.
I already sent that bread to you, man.
Bad, appreciate it. Got the sunroof motor successfully installed. He's already gone. Another satisfied customer. Never changed the sunroof motor before in my life, but I always like a challenge. I was up for the challenge and successfully I was able to go ahead and change out the motor. It started off as possibly being just the gaskets, but since those gears was messed up, we had to replace the motor anyways. He would have been looking at a $2,500 repair going to the dealer. I saved him a lot of money by coming to me. It was a fun task to do. I really loved the challenge. Glad I was able to make that happen for him and save him a lot of money. But anyways, guys, thanks for watching. And as always, tell your mamas, daddies, your sister, your brothers, your cousins, your baby daddy, your baby mama. Tell everybody and their mama about the channel. Like, share, comment, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Tell them to subscribe. Make sure you hit the bell right next to it so you stay updated on all my upcoming videos. Like this video. Like I said, guys, right now we are on road to 1,000. We're looking for 1,000 more subscribers to this channel so we can get these videos monetized, start making money, and I can bring you guys even better content. As we continue to progress, my edits will continue to get better, my content will continue to get better, but I can't do it without you guys' support. I love you guys so much. With all that being said, God bless and Godspeed, everybody. Until next time, we out.